Disclaimer. I just realized I've been saying Beauty Bay the entire video. And I meant to say Miss A. I ain't gonna refilm, so you stuck with it. What up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back, finally. I haven't filmed a video yet since my welcome back video, and I figured I would kind of kick it off with Beauty Bay. I figured I'd kick it off with my Beauty Bay makeup. I bought a whole bunch before quarantine. I've obviously unpackaged it. She opened. But yeah, I haven't looked at it since pre-quarantine. So I kind of forgot what I bought. So let's just look together. So I got the Microfiber Wonder Blender. That's supposed to be really good for powder. So if you like to use powdered makeup, definitely would recommend using that. So I kind of bought like a full face of makeup in here, but I'm not gonna take it out head to toe or, you know, skin to lashes. But here is a diamond lip gloss. So I got another lipstick. This is supposed to be like a sparkly nude. Everything I got was inspired from Jordan Lipscomb's video. I don't know if you watch her, but she did a big haul on Beauty Bay. If you don't know Beauty Bay, it's a UK brand. Really cheap makeup. Literally the cheapest makeup you're gonna find. And honestly, her face looked pretty bomb after. So I figured why not give it a try. Okay, this is a face powder. It's just, you know. Here's another lipstick that apparently got jagged up, but it's kind of a brownish nude. So this one's a clear. Okay, it's not off yet. Is it off yet? No, there's a film. Let me just take this film off quick. Oh, it's really, oh god. Why did I do that? It's kind of pinky. I don't know. Anyway, I guess I got a translucent powder also. Apparently. Okay, I got some highlighters too. Here's a pretty like pink one. Oh, I got brushes as well. I got 2 brushes. So here's one. I figured this would be perfect for your contour right here. Like, just like that. It would fit perfectly. And this one is for your nose. At least that's what she used it for. And she has the best nose contour ever. So I'm like, I need to get it. So this is a foundation I got. It's the AOA Studio foundation. I picked the shade Soft Tan. Okay, I don't know why I got so many powders, but here's another loose powder. Or not loose, it's compact, but I think this one is supposed to be a bronzer, and then this one's like an all-over compact one. Here's a gold highlighter. And honestly, this stuff was so cheap, that's why I got so much. Here's a liquid concealer. Don't know how I feel about this. It looks like Halloween makeup kind of, so here's another highlighter. It's pink. I had to get a contour stick, so there's a contour stick. And then I got 2 of these buttercream gel liner eyeshadows. So this one is a really pretty like green, and this one is a really pretty sheer, like gold. And that's all I bought for $25. So I would say that's a steal if you don't mind me saying. By the way, I'm wearing the same shirt as the first video, and you can't judge me because this is like the most comfy shirt ever. It's long, it's oversized, and I'm really badly sunburnt from the 4th. So we're just gonna, it's all about comfort right now, okay? Not looking pretty. First, I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Gel Primer. If you don't have this primer in your life, you need it. Time to try this foundation. Kind of nervous. Oh, it's really thick. Like really thick. And I don't know how fast she dries. First of all, I think I got the wrong color. Maybe not. I will say it's blending out really well. It's not that bad. I'll give you guys a close-up. This is my skin, like, natural. Well, red, but natural. Here's that with the foundation. I don't hate it. I would say it's buildable, but I would say it's definitely like coverage. Looking for a cheap drugstore brand and you're fine with ordering overseas, hit this place up. I will link everything down below too for you guys. I guess I should tell you what this is. I'm a little rusty. It's the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. Wow, foundation. I think it's called satin because it just lays really nice on the skin. Like, granted, I don't wear makeup a lot, so seeing my skin like this is like, girl, I look good. I'm not hating this. Okay, I look orange on the camera. Hopefully I don't actually look orange, but I don't hate this. I don't. For the price, this is good. Probably like any other drugstore I've used, so I ain't mad. Okay, next I'm going to go into the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer. I chose the shade Buff. They didn't have a big, like, range. Now, when I say this looks like Halloween makeup, this looks like Halloween makeup. Like, oh, the way I have to, like, blend this in. They need, like, a different applicator. And this looks really light for my skin, but we're going to go with it because there's no other option. Okay, we need to blend her in. So we're gonna keep trucking. Okay. AOA Sculpt Effects Contour Stick. I chose the shade Sunkiss. It's just a really good brown. I've always wanted to use a stick like this, so that's why I got this. We're gonna go section by section this time, because we learned our lesson with the concealer. Okay, I just did a line like that. I'm gonna go in with this like foundation brush I bought. I just need to, you know, add a bit more product. Also, I think warming this up with your hand might help too. All you do is just rub it on the back of your hand. You know, get the product warm and then apply it. That's not that bad though. Like, I'm impressed. The brush, I don't hate. For how cheap it is, it's really nice. This is gonna sound so bad, but I think I'm just so used to really nice makeup. Pretty good for drugstore. Okay, I like really don't hate this, you guys. I think I look snatched. I'm gonna do my nose. I don't know how this will go. I've done my makeup once since March. If that doesn't say how locked up I am, I don't know what does. I don't know how to use this. I need to blend more. I don't hate this brush though. This is nice for the nose. You just kind of gotta like learn how to like work it. I just need to make this line not so like... Again, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. This is fine. We're good. We're cooking. I think it's supposed to be like a brightening, is what the girl said. I'm only using this where we highlighted. Oh, by the way, I'll tell you what this is. I'm so bad. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. It's the shade Brightening. I don't know if that's actually the shade or if it's just for brightening. But, oh god, there's still some product on there. I like this. What do you want to call it? I don't know how it would work if it was wet. I really don't. but I think she got hers wet and it worked good. So now I'm gonna use this all over. It's called LA Colors in the shade Beige. I got this for like all over my face. I don't really have like a brush for that. I think I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm just putting this everywhere else. Okay, just put it everywhere else. Everywhere you didn't put the brightening powder. Now that that's done, because that was loose. She was loose. Now I'm gonna go into my LOL face powder. That's the brand name. I wanted this to be my bronzer, but it does not look like my bronzer. It's a medium dark. I'm definitely way darker than this. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's whatever. I might have some leftover of my true bronzer still on this brush. I'm just gonna go back in with this brush and just kind of go over that nose contour. Okay, face. I'm not mad. I ain't mad whatsoever. I'm gonna use this gold. I'm go in with like a fluffy brush. Oh, I forgot to pick up a blush. That's what I forgot. These are pretty good for being how cheap they are. Okay, I like them. They're approved. And next, I kind of want to just, I want to do lips quick. I really want to try this brown. I've always wanted to do a brown lip, so we're gonna do a brown lip. She's kind of pretty. Once I get this like creamy enough, then it goes on better. I actually love this lipstick. Like, that's going in my makeup bag right now. I do want to try this gloss though, so I'm gonna like just put it on top. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it. I hope it's picking up on camera because this is pretty juicy. Okay, now I think I'm gonna use this. I gotta kind of like warm it up. I have to like hold down my lash extensions. Okay, she's pretty. I give it a A+. Like, it is really shimmery. In the corner. And then on the top, I'm just gonna quickly do like my brows just a bit more accentuated. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the Beauty Bay makeup. I must say I love it. I'm really impressed with the products. Seeing the finished look, I definitely think it's worth the cheap money that you spend. Great products, pretty good products for what you're paying for. And when I look in the mirror, I wouldn't be able to tell from drugstore or Beauty Bay. I mean, Beauty Bay basically is drugstore, so hit up Beauty Bay, people, because she looks good. I'll give you a close-up. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys have any questions, do comment below. I should have it all linked in the bio for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.